Hi, my name's Owen.
And I'm Will.
And we're reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Friends and Enemies. And I have a question. Is like Haley just going to spaz at Greg? Like for Greg telling her like Colin doesn't like you. Like, do you think she's going to spaz?
I don't know, but I don't know. This is kind of a prediction, because there's not tons of evidence for it. But I think that she's gonna be like, oh yeah, she's gonna be like, oh, thanks for asking, and then she's gonna like act like she has a crush on Sneeze or something. Or yeah, remember how like he said he has something important to tell her? Maybe she's gonna say like, that's bogus, and she's gonna say like, but anyways, what were you gonna tell me? We met up last time.
It's going to be like, well, I didn't know.
Yeah,
I think she's just going to be like when she heard. I think for some reason she's going to like blame Sneeze. Like it's like one of those weird things.
Yeah.
And then she's going to be like, and she's just going to run away or something again in the other book.
Is that what she did in the other book?
Yeah. She met Fear. So Haley. I'll explain after the video, but I think she's going to do what she did last book. I think she's going to like spaz.
Do you have anything else to say? That was kind of short.
I think I have one more thing to say. If she doesn't like spaz, I think she's going to be like, oh, okay. She's going to be like, yeah, okay. And then when Steve like turns away, she's going to be like crying and everything, emotional stuff. And now, I have nothing else to say. Do you have anything?
No.
Okay.